Want to speed through meal prep and make cooking feel effortless? These genius Amazon kitchen tools are designed to chop, mix, slice, and simplify the tasks that usually slow you down. From clever prep helpers to time-saving cooking tools, they make every step in the kitchen faster and easier. Check the links in the description to grab yours. Take your bread baking to the next level. This dough warmer reads the internal temperature of your starter or dough, so you know it's rising perfectly every time. Adjust precise temperatures from 70 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and let the built-in sensors and 24-hour timer keep everything stable. Extra wide surface fits jars and bowls of all sizes, while the sleek wood grain design adds style to your countertop. Perfectly proofed dough means richer flavor and airy texture every time. Steam your way to a complete meal in minutes. This two-tier steamer lets you cook main dishes and sides at the same time with one simple switch. The large water reservoir and view window make sure you never run out mid-steam. Auto shutoff and boil dry protection keep cooking safe and worry-free. Cleanup is a breeze too, with dishwasher safe baskets, grain tray, and lid ready for your next meal. Upgrade your kitchen with precision and style. This 7-piece knife set features high-carbon stainless steel blades that stay sharp and slice smoothly every time. The foldable magnetic acacia wood block keeps knives safe from kids and pets while looking elegant on your countertop. Each handle is ergonomic for comfortable grip, and the set covers every task, from chopping veggies to slicing bread. Dishwasher safe and built to last, it's a tool you'll reach for again and again. Tired of fillings spilling out of your tacos and quesadillas? This Tortilla Sealer locks in everything for mess-free meals in seconds. Just fill, fold, and crimp, then heat or enjoy cold. It works with air fryers, ovens, grills, or pans, making snack time fast and fun. Made from BPA-free, dishwasher-safe plastic, cleanup is effortless so you can get back to eating. Bring the taste of BBQ indoors without the smoke. This electric grill uses turbo smoke extractor technology to keep your kitchen clear while grilling steaks, sandwiches, or pancakes. 2 removable plates let you switch between grilling and griddling with ease. Smart temperature controls and 6 heat settings help you cook everything perfectly, even if you're a beginner. Cleanup is simple too. Non-stick plates, drip tray, and glass lid are all dishwasher safe. Sparkling water is now just a push away. This professional-grade carbonator turns plain water into fizzy refreshment in seconds. One-handed operation locks the bottle in place and carbonates it effortlessly. The dishwasher-safe glass bottle replaces plastic, making your kitchen both stylish and eco-friendly. Cordless and compact, it fits anywhere, giving you fresh, sparkling water whenever you want. Make every cup of tea feel like a ritual. This electric Turkish tea maker brews with precise temperature and timing for full-bodied flavor every time. 6 preset styles let you go from strong and bold to smooth and delicate with one touch. A magnetic infuser keeps leaves perfectly steeped without burning, and the hold function keeps tea warm for up to 2 hours. Cleanup is simple, and the sleek stainless steel and glass design looks stunning on any countertop. Enjoy fresh, homemade plant-based milk without any hassle. This 6-in-1 machine makes almond, oat, soy, cashew, coconut, or macadamia milk with just one touch. You can even add flavors like chocolate or vanilla to suit your taste. No soaking is needed. Raw or roasted nuts work perfectly, and it whips up milk in minutes. Cleanup is simple too, with auto clean, a delay start option, and a handy glass pitcher. Turn your kitchen scraps into plant food without touching a thing. This electric countertop composter quietly grinds food waste, reducing trash, odors, and mess. Its sleek, modern design fits right on your counter, and the removable bucket moves easily as you prep meals. A carbon filter keeps everything odorless, while powerful grinding handles peels, pits, and even bones. With one touch, you can recycle up to 5 liters of scraps into nutrient-rich soil in just hours. Tired of food going stale too quickly? This jar vacuum sealer removes air in seconds, keeping your leftovers, snacks, and preserves fresh up to 8 times longer. It works with both wide and regular mouth jars, so you can seal anything without hassle. The built-in battery makes it portable, letting you seal on the counter, at a picnic, or on the go. Small but powerful, it saves space, reduces waste, and keeps your pantry perfectly organized. Wake up to cafe-quality coffee right at home. This espresso machine makes espresso or lungo with just one touch. Want a frothy cappuccino or latte macchiato? The built-in milk frother handles it effortlessly, and the single-serve milk jug refills easily. Compact design fits any countertop, while removable parts make cleanup simple and dishwasher safe. Every cup tastes fresh, and the machine even reminds you when it's time to descale for perfect coffee every time. Say goodbye to guessing when your eggs are done. This egg cooker boils, poaches, or even makes an omelet, all with the touch of a button. It can handle up to 12 eggs at once, and even steams veggies or dumplings. A built-in sensor ensures every egg is perfectly cooked, just the way you like it. Cleanup is a breeze too, with dishwasher-safe parts that store right inside the cooker. Breakfast just got futuristic. This long slot toaster handles up to 4 slices at once, and even thick bagels fit perfectly. A touchscreen lets you pick your bread type and browning level, while the projection display shows exactly what you've set. Need to reheat or defrost? Just press a button and you're done. Cleanup is easy too, with a removable crumb tray and cord storage to keep your counter neat. Cooking just got way smarter. This AI-powered air fryer uses top and bottom heating with 360 degrees airflow to cook your food evenly and up to 30% faster than regular air fryers. The large ceramic basket fits a 12-inch pizza, steaks, or a full batch of wings, and it's whisper quiet while working. One-touch smart programs and AI recipe generation let you snap a photo of your ingredients, and it suggests the perfect settings automatically. From frying to roasting, baking, or dehydrating, it handles nearly every kitchen task with ease. Perfectly cooked meat is just a tap away. This wireless Bluetooth thermometer lets you track your steak, chicken, or turkey from anywhere using the companion app. Dual sensors check both the meat and the surrounding temperature, so you get precise results every time. The app guides you with step-by-step instructions and alerts when your food is ready. Dishwasher safe and fully wireless, it makes grilling, roasting, or smoking stress-free and foolproof. Tiny fruits can be surprisingly tricky to cut. This clever slicer makes it quick and safe with a simple press. Just place grapes, cherry tomatoes, or strawberries inside and push down to slice them instantly. The hidden stainless steel blades cut cleanly while keeping your fingers protected. It's perfect for fruit salads, cake decorations, or snack prep, turning a handful of small fruits into neat pieces in seconds. Grating shouldn't turn into a messy arm workout. This rotary grater makes the job quick and effortless with a simple turning handle. Just place your cheese, chocolate, nuts, or vegetables inside and spin the crank. The sharp stainless steel drum slices everything evenly in seconds. A strong suction base and table clamp keep the grater steady while you work, so you can grate safely and smoothly every time. Great bread always starts with great dough. This powerful spiral mixer brings professional bakery technology right into your kitchen. The rotating bowl and spiral hook work together to knead dough evenly, helping develop stronger gluten for softer bread and better pizza crusts. With dozens of speed options, you can fine-tune the mixing exactly the way you want. It also comes with extra attachments, so you can whisk, beat, and mix everything from cake batter to fluffy cream. Healthy cooking starts with knowing exactly what's on your plate. This smart kitchen scale does more than just weigh your food. It also tracks calories, protein, fat, and other nutrition details. Simply place your ingredients on the scale and connect it to the companion app. The app pulls data from a huge food database, so you instantly see what you're eating. It's a simple way to stay on top of your meals, whether you're cooking, baking, or planning a diet. Breakfast just got a lot more creative. This waffle bowl maker turns ordinary batter into a thick, fluffy waffle shaped like a bowl. Just pour in the mix, close the lid, and in minutes you've got the perfect edible dish. Fill it with fruit and syrup for breakfast, ice cream for dessert, or even eggs and bacon for something savory. The non-stick plates make lifting the waffle out easy and clean up quick. One oven that practically does it all. This smart countertop cooker can bake, roast, broil, air fry, toast, dehydrate, and more, all from a single compact unit. A powerful convection fan moves hot air quickly, helping your food cook faster while staying crispy on the outside and juicy inside. The touchscreen makes it simple to choose a cooking mode or adjust settings in seconds. You can even connect it to an app, letting you monitor dinner right from your phone. Fresh homemade flatbread with almost no effort. This fully automatic Roti Maker mixes, kneads, and cooks your dough all in one smooth process. Just press a button, and the machine handles everything while you wait. The touchscreen lets you choose how many rotis you want and adjust the thickness to your liking. In minutes, you get warm, evenly cooked flatbreads ready for the table. No rolling pins or extra pans required. Your stovetop just got a smart upgrade. This portable induction cooktop heats your pot directly, so meals cook faster while wasting far less energy. The smooth ceramic glass surface is tough, shatter-resistant, and easy to wipe clean after you're done. With simple digital controls, you can raise or lower the heat instantly without restarting the cooking process. From gently melting chocolate to searing dinner, you stay in complete control every step of the way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.